Okay, before starting the video, this is the app I developed without writing single line of code. Okay, this is the application I developed without writing a single line of code. You can see the UI is pretty good, right? I developed this entire application without paying single dollar. So keep that in your mind. Also, it's fully functional, not just UI wise good. It's fully functional. You can see it can track every single thing. Okay, I give a little bit intro about this project, this application, before showcasing you how you can develop this like application for you, right? Okay, you can see bottom line of this video, you can see edit with Lovable. Yes, I developed this application with Lovable. Before, I developed this same application with 4 different AI tools. You can see I developed this same application with Google AI Studio as well. I can showcase you can see it's fully functional. Okay, again I developed the same application using Gemini as well. Again I developed the same application using ChatGPT as well, but the ChatGPT showcasing some error. It also developed application very well, but it UI wise doesn't look good compared to Gemini, AI Studio or Lovable. Okay, I eliminating ChatGPT from this comparison because it doesn't showcasing preview. Yes, it developed the app, it showcased preview before, but now it's not showcasing. So I'm just eliminating ChatGPT from this comparison. It just showcasing initializing environment, but it's showcasing nothing. Okay, let's come by one. Before I showcase you how I developed, which prompt I used to develop this application, I go through my application, how it's functional, how UI wise it looks good. I just switching to full screen mode by pressing F1 F11. This is my application. Okay, you can see it showcasing time, date. Okay, I want the application that showcases my time and date whenever I'm loading this app, and I can set a timer of how much time I want. Whenever I'm hovering top right of this card, you can showcase that is edit button. I can set this timer to 1 minute, 30 minute, 40 minute. Actually, I searched for a lot of application. I want a Pomodoro like application that remind me 45 minutes once or 35 minutes once to take break, because I'm always sitting in front of my PC. My eyes got strained, my head got strained, so that's why I developed this application. I want an application that should remind me some particular amount of time, like 10 minutes, 35 minutes, 45 minutes. I can set the timer. For example, I am setting 1 minute. I can click and I hit that. I can click this and start focus on that. The thing is, you can add some this focusation for like for what, like that. Okay, and like to read book, I can just enter something basic and I can click it, start running the timer. You can set how much time you want. I can end this timer as well, but I like to keep this. And you can see there is a single tab. It showcases some codes, like you can see success is sum of small efforts. It changes every single time, or I can manually change that. It have a lot of themes: productivity, life, business, money, career. It will showcase a lot of themes. Actually, I prompted this. Okay, I give a section that showcases some inspirational quotes like that, so that is also here. It automatically updates every single time I'm refreshing this page, or every single hour. Okay, I can add tasks as well in case I'm what is that, I'm scraping some leads from product and scrape leads. Yeah, I'm using Google Tasks, Google Calendars, schedule my entire day, entire week. But in case I'm working on something, something suddenly is poking on my mind, but I don't have time to add that in Google Calendar or Google Task, or I don't want to add that in my calendar, but I want to have a place to add my task some place like that. So that time I can come here and note my sudden task, like send connection request. This, like, I can add some quick task over here. It not just adding the task. You can delete this. In case if you completed this, you can strike it out. But the thing is, I go back to light screen. No, the thing is, in case I click the task tab, you can see it showcasing every single task I completed. You can see I completed a lot of tasks. This I'm developed this application by 9/7/2025. I'm using this for last 5 to 6 days. It's working super cool. Actually, it's saving details on in backend. It's not just front end, it's saving details on backend as well. It's fully functional. I can sell this application to anybody, so it's working so cool. Okay, I can add this like task. It always persists in case even though I refresh this application, it's still over here. You can see, and yeah, I'm just going to, you can see pending completed. It can save every single thing. It's not just UI wise, it's fully functional application. It have backend. Okay, you can keep one thing in mind, it's developed for complete free. Okay, this is timer. I can set Pomodoro timing. I can add task, quick task, and in case of it completed, I can strike out and it move to this places. And another thing is, you can see there is analytics. You can see I'm using from July 9 to July 14. It's showcasing how much time I focused on the thing. 160 minutes to 35 minutes total I focused. I can filter by 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month. You can see a total 10 focused 10 hours last 5 days, 31 focus session, average 21 minutes. Daily I'm focusing 129 minutes per average. So this is a fully functional application. And another thing is, I can change the theme of this application. You can see I can change the theme of this application. Forest color, moonlight color. In case I'm using in night, I like to switch this color, and sunset color and ocean color. Actually, I prompted every single functionality of this application to the lovable. I will showcase you how I achieved this with, it's quite easy. I'm pretty impressed by this output. Okay, I always like to keep in forest color because I like green colors. So you can see it can recent session name, it can remember every single thing that you giving. Okay, task, timer, Pomodoro timer, inspiration task. This is my idea. Okay, I actually, before developing this application, I go and searched on internet and YouTube, hey, I want this application, this, but a lot of application, maybe they are paid, or some the UI was not good, or functionality wise not good. So that's why I developed my own application. Okay, I developed this same application using Google AI Studio. Yeah, I used Google Gemini as well, but there is a pro tip. You can develop super cool application with Google AI Studio because they offering Google 2.5 Pro, their latest model, for complete free. You can enjoy without paying single rupee. Okay, I showcase the application that I developed with Gemini. Okay, wait a minute, it's just loading. Actually, Google Gemini also doing great work. Actually, I just given my thought. Okay, before I just giving my prompt. Okay, this is not ChatGPT generated. This is the prompt I used to develop that application. I want to develop a time tracker, time reminding application. The UI should stunning. Okay, and I want a big button, big start button, like this. I want a big start button. When I'm clicking, it should start showcasing the timer like that. And I also want this color of theme: snowfall, sunlight, moonlight, nature, dark moonlight. I want this theme switching application options. And I can also able to set timer. Once timer ends, it should notify me with sound like that. And it should integrated with Spotify. You can see actually this application integrated with Spotify. I can directly play music from okay, I just pause. Okay, and it should track my previous time as well. In case where is Google Gemini, it should task my previous time. In case I'm setting 1 minute of time, it should track, okay, how much time I focused. Actually, exactly, this is analytics, how much time I focused. Okay, and a lot of note taking task of section, and a lot of some things that I really want. Okay, this is my code. Let's see how Gemini developed this application. Actually, you can see Gemini Gemini developed very well. Actually it understand every single my query and develop this super cool application. You can see I can change the theme, green, dark, whatever I want. I like to keep in green color. Okay, it's showcasing time and it also showcasing some code, and it actually running the timer. You can set the timer how much you want, 10 minutes, 23 minutes. You can pause, reset the timer, and you can see as I prompt instructed to that app, it integrated the Spotify widget over here. I didn't know anything about coding. Yeah, once I worked as a full stack developer, but it automatically fetching API codes from Spotify and embedded this super cool widget over here. The this music is annoying, right? I'm really sorry. Oh my god, it's okay. I'm just pausing this. Okay, let's move to uh, Google AI Studio. Actually, I want to say one thing. Don't use Gemini. Use Google AI Studio. Before starting this, I'm opening a new tab. You can see you can use Google's latest 2.5 Pro Gemini for free. In case if you using Gemini, they will not allow you using 2.5 Pro. They have some limitations. In case if you prompted 5-6 times, it limited. Okay, don't use Google Gemini. Use Google Gemini. Google AI Studio. It's how every single their advanced what I can say, their advanced models for free. You can use set 2.5 Pro and you can adjust the temperature by 2. It will gives the most precise answer in available in the planet Earth. So I would recommend go and use. They actually have a section called build. You can search, you can give your ID. It automatically generated application. Actually I generated some application. You can see these are the application I developed. I showcase you what are the application I developed. Okay, wait, I just closing that. This is the application I given same prompt that I provided to Lovable, that I provided to Gemini, but just see, this is what exactly I want. The UI looking so good. I can switch the themes. You can notice there is a small animation going behind it. I actually prompted that as well. Had some little bit animation in this application. Actually that got added as well. You can see it also has same features. You can edit the time to how much time you want, 23 minutes. I usually like to set 35 minutes. I can save, I can start the timer, and I can also add what are the tasks I want. Shoot video, I can add and scrape leads. I can add any task. In case if I completed, I can just tick the task. You can see it's working super cool. I really loved the way the Google AI Studio working is really awesome. Whatever the idea you have in your mind, it actually executing in very perfect. So I really love the output of Google AI Studio. I really impressed by AI Studio. Actually see how cool it is. You can track the analytic as well. Actually just now I refreshed this application. I'm using Lovable application because that UI wise looks good, and you can showcasing some codes as well. You can see it also embedded what is that, Spotify music. You can see it's working. You can change the music. Yeah, you can see you can change everything. So again I really love the Google AI Studio output. Okay, let's move to another app. Actually you can see ChatGPT is not showcasing. Actually this is also developed application, but it not showcasing that. Okay, this is the prompt I used to develop this application. How to develop this application? It's quite easy. Go to Google AI Studio, start typing your prompt, whatever you want. Actually you can preview as well. You can give the prompt whatever you want. Because if you have something in your mind, just type this. Just go to where build section, just click, just copy paste this prompt it's my prompt, don't copy my prompt. In case if you have some idea in your mind, just type that, open a notepad and type every single thing that you have in your mind and copy that and go and paste that in Google history. It will instantly will start generating the application. In case of, for example, I'm pressing same, it will start writing the code for me. Within a fraction of second, it start thinking, start integrating every single thing. It using Google's latest model. It's not using basic model anything, it's using latest model. It will give best output of all time. Okay, wait, okay, I like to pause this because before only I already developed this application. I like to close this. And yeah, this is lovable. You can see I given same prompt to lovable as well. And first, lovable actually made a lot of mistakes. Actually it doesn't showcases my UI. Okay, just eliminate lovable, I thought like that, but it showcasing error 4 to 5 times. 5 times it continuously starts showcasing a lot of error. So I planned, okay, let's eliminate lovable from this test, I think. Let's eliminate lovable from this app development. But actually after I prompted like, okay, try to fix by yourself, like blah blah stuffs, it automatically starts generating my application. A timer interface, themes, task management, analytic dashboard, codes. It actually developed in after some time. I really enjoyed. You can see I build unsuccessful. I just prompted again for code present, try to fix by yourself. Please think step by step in order resolve it. Um, I don't know anything about this, so try to resolve. You can see I prompted again. Nothing happened, nothing in UI, just fix it. I'm giving, what should I do now? I want my app run. Don't give just errors, fix. After giving this prompt only, I got this beautiful UI. Again, change the app name, and you can change the colors, add some animations, and remove app name. I'm giving a lot of instruction to this application. Develop this. Uh, these are the things I want, and remove this image, add that. I given a lot of instruction to this. You can see I given a lot of instruction. It takes around 1.5 hours to develop this entire application. This is the detailed prompt I am giving. How much detailed prompt you are giving, it will develop that thing exactly. Actually I changed this as well. So I given complete prompt to this. At final, it developed this beautiful application. It's working like a charm. I'm using this every single time. In case I have some task, I add a task to her. Time showcasing, date showcasing, what are the tasks pending, what are the things I completed, clear analytics. I can change the theme. So it's fully functional. It's not just UI wise, it's fully functional with database. Okay, let's close this lovable lesson. And I like to showcase some other application. This is the application I developed for my marketing purpose. Whenever I'm getting some SaaS product details, I will enter the details in this option. When I'm pressing send message, it will wait a minute, it will send the details to database. I think this application is not in I think it, wow, it showcase, wait a minute, I showcase my Google sheet, it got updated. Okay, that's not integrated connected with this application. This is LinkedIn formatter. In case if I am copying and pasting this over here, in case whenever I'm writing some LinkedIn post, it will showcase. In case I click see more, it will add. LinkedIn's interface looks so bad whenever you're writing some posts, so that's why I developed this my own application. You can see I can preview how it looks when I'm posting on LinkedIn. I can see more. This is developed by myself with help of Google Gemini. Okay, I like to close this. I actually set up the automation called something customer report. I don't know, it's uploading to which. Yeah, this is the details, I think. Okay, let's leave it. It's not related to this video. This is the prompt I used. Okay, this is how I develop my applications without writing single line of code with help of AI tools. This is called vibe coding. You can develop your application. In case if you have some ideas in your mind, just type that in AI tools like Lovable, Gemini, Google AI Studio, even ChatGPT. Just type that. Yeah, there are some other applications like Bolt, Cursor. I don't know about this application, but I developed the application that I want. This is the application I really want. Actually, in case if you don't want to use Lovable, you can use GitHub. You can upload your code to GitHub. Wait a minute, actually, when I use GitHub and Versal, um, both are free. Whenever I'm developing some application, you can see I uploaded my code to GitHub and I hosting that and I published on Versal because both are free. I don't want to pay single rupee for both of them. I can create app, I can publish, I can upload the code to GitHub and I can publish that in Versal. No charge. All I'm doing with free of cost. In case if you have some idea in your mind, you don't need to know push anything to GitHub. You can just stick with Lovable itself, or you can, in case if you're developing in Google AI Studio or Gemini, that time you can use GitHub and what is the things, Google AI Versal. In case if you want a video how to generate an app and host that in GitHub and make that app live in Versal. In case if you want that video, just leave the comment in this video. I will make that video as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. In case if you watch this video until this end, just comment down, hey, I watched till end, like that. Okay, people watching my video until end, like that. Okay, I hope you like this video. I will catch up you in another video. I will develop a lot of application in future. I will make a detailed video on every single thing I am making. Okay, I will catch you in another video. Until then, I make a okay, bye. I really love the app developed by Lovable. Actually, it's free. Not free. They offering 5 credits per day for free. You can use that credit. You can develop, or you can pay. I'm happy to do collaboration with Lovable in future. Yeah, let's grow our channel and let's do the collaboration with Lovable. Hey, how are you guys? Actually, I developed an application without writing single line of code. Instead of overhyping this video, I give you real knowledge. In case if you have some ideas in your mind, you can develop your own application without paying money for some tools, some websites, some SaaS tools. So this is the purpose of this video. Actually, I developed a lot of application like time tracking application, my SaaS validator application. I developed a lot of application. I showcase my application, then I start talking about the thing, what are the things you can do with these tools. Actually, I picked 4 tools to develop the same application. I just copy pasted my same prompt to every single app and sit and waited for the results. Actually, the results are pretty awesome. I didn't expect this much of results from these tools. Actually, these are complete free. You don't need to pay single $1 for this. So without wasting time, let's start the video how you can develop your own application without writing single line of code for free. uh, okay let's keep this review very straightforward instead of overhyping. Actually, in case if you're developing some utility application, some basic application for yourself, in case if you want time tracking application, some productivity utility, in case whatever in your mind, that can be easily developed from single line of prompt.